What's up, guys? I'm Jeff Slick with Freedom Realty. I'm at 1528 Bacon Avenue, Anniston, Alabama. And now some of y'all might remember this house, but you're not gonna remember what you see inside. Everything in here has been completely redone to the studs, everything. All new kitchen appliances, Samsung kitchen appliances, refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer. All that stays with the home. Now this was a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It is now a 3-bedroom, 2 bath. Nice large bedrooms. All new floors. All new plumbing, all new electrical. Again, this is a new house. There is nothing else that it needs. This will be your master here. And the master bath. Absolutely beautiful house. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. 1,308 square feet with a completely open floor plan. So the price on this house is going to be $139,900. If you're interested in this house, or maybe you're looking to buy or sell your own house, give me a call, 321-890-9374, or you can visit us online at www.freedomrealty.net.